Better than aspirin, these teas unclog your arteries. Have you ever wondered how some teas and foods can be as powerful as folk medicines? Is it possible to prevent blood clots naturally and safely? And what happens in your body when you consume ingredients with anticoagulant properties on a daily basis? Aspirin is widely used to prevent clots from forming, but it's not the only option. In fact, there are natural alternatives that can bring similar or even superior benefits, with the advantage of including them in your routine in a pleasant and healthy way. Today, we're going to explore a list of 10 powerful teas and 5 essential foods that promote circulation, protect the heart, and help prevent serious problems like thrombosis and strokes. Each tea and food on this list is based on scientifically recognized properties, and at the end, you will still receive valuable tips to take care of your cardiovascular health. Let's get started. What causes blood clots to form? Blood clots are a natural response of the body to repair blood vessel damage, but they don't always appear for beneficial reasons. Conditions such as a sedentary lifestyle, poor eating habits, and diseases such as hypertension and high cholesterol can increase the risk of excessive clot formation. When the blood becomes more viscous or when there are internal lesions in the vessels, platelets clump together to plug these areas, creating what we call thrombi. The problem occurs when these thrombi block the flow of blood in important places, such as the brain, heart, or lungs, causing serious complications such as strokes, heart attacks, or pulmonary embolism. In addition, factors such as smoking, obesity, use of certain medications, and a family history of cardiovascular disease also contribute to increasing this risk. What can be done to reduce these threats in a natural way? Stay with us to find out. Is it possible to prevent blood clots with teas and food? The good news is that yes, it is possible to prevent clots naturally and without resorting to medications, as long as you follow a careful approach. Foods and teas with anticoagulant properties work by reducing platelet aggregation and promoting healthier blood circulation. In addition, they have natural compounds such as antioxidants, polyphenols, and anti-inflammatories that help protect vessel walls and keep blood fluid. However, it is essential to remember that each organism is unique. The effectiveness of these natural alternatives depends on a variety of factors, including your overall diet, level of physical activity, and health history. Therefore, it is always recommended to consult a health professional before making significant changes to your diet. But what are the best teas and foods to achieve this goal? You're about to find out. What happens in your body when you have clots? The formation of blood clots is a vital mechanism to prevent bleeding after an injury. However, when these clots form in an uncontrolled manner, they can cause irreparable damage. For example, if a clot blocks an artery in the heart, a heart attack can occur. If the blockage happens in the brain, it can lead to a stroke. In the case of a clot in the lungs, the result can be a pulmonary embolism, which can be fatal. In addition, clots in large veins can cause pain, swelling, and even deep vein thrombosis. The impact on the body goes further, increasing cardiovascular stress and blood pressure. Therefore, preventing the formation of clots is a priority to keep the body healthy and protected. Now that you know the seriousness of the problem, let's get to know the 10 teas that can be your allies. 10 powerful teas that can prevent blood clots from forming. 1. Ginger tea. The anticoagulant that comes from the ancient tradition. Ginger tea has been known for thousands of years for its medicinal properties, especially in traditional Chinese medicine. The secret is in gingerol, a bioactive compound with potent anti-inflammatory and anticoagulant action. This component helps keep blood platelets separate, reducing the risk of clots forming that can cause thrombosis and strokes. In addition, ginger is an ally of digestion, relieving nausea, improving nutrient absorption, and strengthening the immune system. Experts recommend consuming this tea in the morning or between meals, when the stomach is empty, enhancing its absorption. However, it is important to be careful with excess. Excessive consumption of ginger tea can cause acidity, abdominal discomfort, and interfere with anticoagulant and diabetes medications. Balancing the amount is essential to reap its benefits safely. 2. Ginkgo biloba tea. The secret of improved circulation and healthy brain. Ginkgo biloba is known for its effects on the circulatory and cognitive system, being one of the most recommended teas for those looking to prevent cardiovascular problems. It acts directly to reduce platelet aggregation, making the blood less prone to clot formation and facilitating the work of the heart. In addition, Ginkgo biloba tea is widely used to improve memory, reduce anxiety symptoms, and combat headaches and vertigo. To make the most of its benefits, it is recommended to consume it in the morning or early afternoon, as it can be energizing and increase concentration. But beware, excess Ginkgo biloba can cause headaches, dizziness, and even gastrointestinal reactions. In addition, it can interact with anticoagulant and antidepressant medications, requiring caution in consumption. 3. Turmeric tea, the natural relief for your circulation and joint pain. Turmeric is famous for its anti-inflammatory properties, and tea brewed from this root is a powerful choice for improving circulation. The main active compound, curcumin, is responsible for promoting more efficient blood flow and reducing inflammation in the vessel walls. In addition, this tea can also relieve joint pain, being especially beneficial for those suffering from arthritis or other inflammatory conditions. It is recommended to consume turmeric tea in the morning or between meals, when the absorption of its active compounds is most efficient. However, like any natural substance, overconsumption should be avoided. Large amounts can cause gastric discomfort, nausea, and interfere with anticoagulant and anti-inflammatory medications. 4. Green tea, the miracle drink that boosts your cardiovascular health. Green tea is widely recognized as one of the healthiest beverages in the world, thanks to its rich composition of antioxidants and bioactive compounds. Catechins, substances present in green tea, help improve blood circulation, reducing the formation of clots and protecting the heart against serious diseases such as heart attacks and strokes. In addition to its anticoagulant properties, green tea also speeds up metabolism, contributes to weight loss, and strengthens the immune system. Consuming a cup in the morning or early afternoon is ideal to enjoy its benefits without interfering with sleep, as the caffeine present in the drink can cause insomnia if ingested at night. However, moderation is key. Overdoing it with green tea can result in nervousness, gastrointestinal problems, and even interactions with anticoagulant and beta-blocker medications. 5. Hibiscus tea, the floral treasure that reduces pressure and improves circulation. Hibiscus tea is a delicious option full of benefits for cardiovascular health. Rich in anthocyanins and polyphenols, it helps reduce blood pressure, improve circulation, and helps prevent the formation of blood clots. In addition, hibiscus tea has diuretic properties, contributing to the elimination of toxins and excess fluids in the body. This tea is also an ally in weight control, reducing the absorption of starches and sugars in the body. Experts suggest consuming it in the morning or afternoon to take advantage of its energizing and digestive effect. However, it is important to be aware of the quantities. Drinking large volumes of hibiscus tea can cause a significant drop in blood pressure and interact with medications for hypertension and diabetes. 6. Garlic tea, the superfood that defies blood clots. Garlic, known as a superfood, can also be consumed in tea form for those looking to prevent blood clots. Allicin, a compound present in garlic, is responsible for its anticoagulant properties and reducing platelet aggregation. In addition to preventing thrombosis, garlic tea helps improve circulation, reduce blood pressure, and strengthen the immune system, protecting the body against bacterial and viral infections. Although the flavor is strong, its benefits are undeniable. It is recommended to consume the tea in the morning or before meals, when the body is more receptive to the absorption of its compounds. But beware, in excess, garlic tea can cause gastrointestinal problems, bad breath, and interfere with anticoagulant and hypertension medications. 7. Clove tea, the forgotten remedy that improves circulation. Clove tea, in addition to being aromatic and pleasant, is a powerful tool to keep the blood fluid and healthy. This is due to eugenol, a compound with anti-inflammatory and anticoagulant properties that prevents clots from forming, reducing the risk of cardiovascular problems. In addition to its anticoagulant properties, clove tea is also known to relieve toothaches, improve digestion, and strengthen the immune system, thanks to its antimicrobial properties. The ideal time to consume this tea is after meals, as it can aid digestion and relieve stomach discomfort. However, excess should be avoided, as large amounts can cause allergic reactions, gastrointestinal problems, and interactions with anticoagulant medications. 8. Cinnamon tea. The tea of the body in balance and the waking mind. Cinnamon tea is another amazing option for those who want to take care of their circulation and prevent blood clots from forming. Cinnamon contains compounds such as polyphenols, which help platelet aggregation and promote the health of the cardiovascular system. In addition, cinnamon tea also has anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties, helps control blood sugar levels, and can even speed up metabolism, aiding in weight loss. To enjoy its benefits, consume this tea in the morning or early afternoon, as it can be energizing and help keep sugar levels stable throughout the day. But remember, in excess, cinnamon can be toxic to the liver, cause gastrointestinal problems, and interfere with anticoagulant and diabetes medications. 9. Chamomile tea. The soothing tea that protects your heart. Chamomile, widely known for its calming effect, is also a great ally of cardiovascular health. This tea contains bioactive compounds that help relax blood vessels, promoting more efficient circulation and preventing clot formation. In addition, chamomile tea is excellent for reducing stress, improving sleep quality, and relieving digestive problems such as cramps and indigestion. The best time to consume it is at night, before bed, as its relaxing effects help prepare the body for restful rest. Still, it is important to consume in moderation, as large amounts can cause excessive sleepiness or interact with anticoagulant and sedative medications. 10. Rosemary tea. A revitalizing tea that helps prevent blood clots. Rosemary tea is a revitalizing choice for those looking to improve circulation and prevent clot formation. Rich in antioxidants such as carnosic acid, this tea helps protect blood vessels against inflammation and oxidative damage, promoting healthy blood flow. In addition, rosemary can also boost energy levels, improve memory, and relieve muscle pain. Consuming it in the morning or afternoon is ideal to take advantage of its energizing effect without disturbing sleep. However, avoid exaggeration. In large amounts, rosemary tea can cause stomach irritations, high blood pressure, and interact with anticoagulant and antihypertensive medications. 5. Essential foods for cardiovascular health and clot prevention. 1. Oily fish, the natural source of omega-3 that protects your heart. Oily fish, such as salmon, tuna, and sardines, are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which are known for their anti-inflammatory and anticoagulant properties. These fatty acids help reduce platelet aggregation and lower triglyceride levels in the blood, promoting healthier circulation. In addition, oily fish provide high-quality protein and essential nutrients, such as vitamin D and selenium, which strengthen the cardiovascular system. Experts recommend including these fish in the diet at least twice a week to take advantage of all their benefits. However, it is important to opt for healthy preparation methods, such as grilling or baking, avoiding fried foods that can cancel out their benefits. 2. Green leafy greens. The secret to healthy circulation. Vegetables such as spinach, kale, and chard are true nutritional treasures for the cardiovascular system. They are rich in vitamin K, which regulates blood clotting, and natural nitrates, which help dilate vessels and improve blood flow. In addition, these vegetables contain antioxidants and fiber that help reduce blood pressure and control cholesterol levels. Adding them to daily meals, whether in salads, stir-fries, or juices, is a practical way to protect heart health. On the other hand, those who use anticoagulant drugs should consult a doctor before increasing consumption due to the interaction of vitamin K with these drugs. 3. Extra virgin olive oil, the liquid gold for your circulation. Extra virgin olive oil is known as a mainstay of the Mediterranean diet, famous for its heart benefits. It is rich in monounsaturated fatty acids and polyphenols, which have anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. These compounds help protect blood vessels from damage and prevent clots from forming, as well as improve the overall health of the cardiovascular system. Including olive oil in salads, soups, or as a seasoning for vegetables is a delicious way to enjoy its benefits. But beware, consumption should be moderate because, although healthy, it is caloric and can lead to weight gain if consumed in excess. 4. Berries, the power of flavonoids for your heart. Fruits such as strawberries, blueberries, raspberries, and blackberries are rich in flavonoids, powerful antioxidants that help prevent blood clots from forming and reduce inflammation. In addition, these fruits improve the elasticity of blood vessels, reducing the risk of cardiovascular disease and promoting efficient circulation. Consuming berries for breakfast or as a snack between meals is a simple way to integrate them into your daily diet. When combined with yogurt or nuts such as nuts, they form an even more heart-friendly combination. 5. Nuts and other nuts, the food that strengthens the heart. Walnuts, as well as almonds, chestnuts, and hazelnuts, are natural sources of healthy fats, omega-3s, vitamin E, and minerals like magnesium and selenium. These nutrients help improve blood flow, reduce inflammation, and protect vessels from plaque buildup. In addition, regular consumption of nuts is associated with a reduction in LDL cholesterol, known as bad cholesterol. Because they are caloric, it is important to consume a moderate portion daily, such as a small handful, to enjoy their benefits without compromising your total caloric intake. Extraordinary tips to boost circulation and protect your heart. Maintaining good blood circulation goes beyond consuming the foods and teas mentioned. There are simple but powerful habits that can transform your cardiovascular health and significantly reduce your risk of clot formation. First, drink plenty of water. Proper hydration keeps the blood fluid, reducing the chance of clots forming and helping the body eliminate toxins. Exercising regularly is another indispensable strategy. Activities such as walking, running, swimming, or cycling not only strengthen the heart but also stimulate blood flow, especially in the extremities of the body. If you spend a lot of time sitting, take frequent breaks to stretch your legs and feet, as movement reduces the risk of deep vein thrombosis. Avoiding smoking is also crucial, as smoking damages the walls of blood vessels, increases blood pressure, and contributes to plaque buildup in the arteries. Managing stress with practices such as meditation, yoga, or deep breathing techniques also works wonders for the cardiovascular system by reducing blood pressure and cortisol levels. Finally, maintain a healthy weight. Being overweight overloads the heart and increases the risk of cardiovascular disease. And remember, before adopting any significant change in diet or habits, consult a health professional to ensure that you are making the safest decisions for your case. Taking care of your cardiovascular health has never been simpler. Action for a long and healthy life. Taking care of your cardiovascular health is not only a matter of longevity, but also of quality of life. Every tea, food, and healthy habit you adopt is an investment in your future well-being, a way to ensure that you can enjoy life with energy, disposition, and a strong heart. You have the power to transform your routine and prevent serious problems like blood clots through simple but meaningful choices. How about starting today? Incorporate the teas that caught your attention the most, try new foods, and take the first step towards a healthier lifestyle. Be active, take care of your mind, stay hydrated, and remember that small daily changes can lead to extraordinary results. Don't forget, your health is your greatest asset. Value it. And now, share this knowledge with the people you love so that they too can take care of their hearts and live better. Your future starts now.